Welcome back, students. Now, just we have learned how the different measures taken by the revolutionaries, that is the idea of La Patrie and Le Citoyen, the new French flag, new hymns, etc. So, these were the steps taken by the French revolutionaries to create the idea of oneness, unity, and this unity and oneness helped the French people to create a nation state through the French Revolution. Most importantly, here I want to say one thing: the French language. Yes, language always played a very important role in creating oneness and unity among the people. When the regional dialects were discouraged and French was spoken and written in Paris, and it became a common language of the people of the nation, this created more emphasis in the growth of nationalism in France. So, my dear students, these are very handy methods for creating the sense of oneness and for the development of nation state. Now, this was not the end. The revolutionaries further declared that their mission was to liberate the people of Europe from despotism. That is the despotic rule of monarch. They clearly declared that. It was not only the France, but the French people wanted to clarify, to eradicate, to uproot it, the despotic monarchical rule from every countries in Europe. So they wanted the European countries must be free from monarchical rule, and there was a nation state everywhere. In fact, there was democracy everywhere. When the news of the events in France reached the different cities of Europe, students and other members of educated middle classes began setting up Jacobin clubs. Yes, that was very much important. And when French revolutionaries acted accordingly, the other cities in the different countries of Europe also responded equally, and there was a formation of Jacobin clubs in different parts of the countries of Europe. Their activities and campaigns prepared the way for the French armies, which moved into Holland, Belgium, Switzerland, and much of Italy in 1790s. Now you could easily understand, students, this was the impact of French Revolution. I already told you earlier, and again I am telling you, the impact of the French Revolution was marvelous in Europe. And this impact of French Revolution was helpful in creating nationalism in Europe. When I am saying Europe, it doesn't mean one country. Rather, it was the different countries of Europe. My dear students, this was the impact that by seeing French Revolution in France, the people of other country also supported them. With the outbreak of revolutionary wars, the French armies began to carry the idea of nationalism abroad. Yes, this is what we have to understand now. So when the French revolutionaries saw that the ideas of French Revolution were appreciated in other countries of Europe, they carried nationalism to the other countries. And in this way, the whole Europe, different countries of Europe, was affected by the revolutionary ideas of French Revolution, and there was a great competition in the different countries of the Europe for setting up of democratic government by eradicating absolute monarch. Understood? Thank you very much. That's all for today.